Today's unboxing is the Tangle Teezer Scalp Exfoliator and Massager. Got this one in black. So this is the box it comes in. Scalp Exfoliator and Massager, made in the UK. International Trichology Congress, the powers in the teeth. So this is about the founder, Sean P. And I think he was actually on Dragon's Den, which is like a British equivalent of Shark Tank in the US. And famous for TangleTeezer sort of hairbrush. This is a massager, so it's sort of a second product, I guess. Teeth simultaneously exfoliate, massage and stimulate scalp, helps reduce flakes and product buildup, easy to use curved shape with grip, allows variation of pressure, used with shampoo or scalp treatment to help detox the scalp. Scalp is left feeling cleaner, healthier and soothed. So that all sounds quite exciting. Well, let's get it open. Let's have a little look at the product. It opens like that. So nice box. Feels like a quality product. It is a quality brand. Well, there's a little QR code on there and a little, I guess, to show it's genuine, a little hologram. Let's get that open. So nothing else in the box, discard that. And here we have the product itself. So it's sort of like a hardened plastic. There's a embossed logo with some gloss finish. Seems to be two parts of plastic put together. Quite a hard, durable bit of flex in there about plastic, and then these are actually softer. These are sort of more rubberized, I would say. So there's got a variety of bristles. Obviously, it's a curved surface. They've got to vary in length. There's also a slight curve as well for the shape of your scalp. On the ends, we've got these slightly chunkier. You can see it good from this angle. Slightly chunkier, proddy things. I don't know what you call these things. So they're more durable, and then on the inside these are much squishier. So this kind of curved design means that you can slot your fingers in and then sort of hold it that way. It grips really nicely and really comfortably. And there's a little curve there as well. So really well thought out product. Really like this, and I might go and buy some more of their products just to review, because they seem to be really exciting and really well made. Great price point as well. Can't remember how much. I think it's probably $5 or $10, something like that. But quality item. Well done, guys.